Did you know that the age of your children could affect whether you can have primary custody of them as a dad? Here's what I mean. The older that kids get, the more likely a court is to consider their wants and wishes. And once a child turns 12 years old, on motion of a party, a court must interview them and talk to them to see what they would want. Now, that doesn't mean just because a 12-year-old says, I want to live with dad, or I want to live with mom, or I want to live on the moon, that that's what they're going to do for them. It really depends on the maturity and the experience of that child. So, like, just think about your 12-year-old. Are they the sort of 12-year-old you could like trust to run a board meeting? Or are they the sort of 12-year-old who has a hard time figuring out how to make the microwave work? If they're of the latter, then the court may not consider as much their opinion once they're 12. But every year they get older, the more a court is going to listen. Like by the time they're 15, 16 years old, the court's pretty much going to be like, look, sounds like you've got a pretty good head on your shoulders and going to take that into consideration a lot when making their decision.